Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine. Today we are going to do a paragraph on a fortune teller. As we have already done many paragraphs, today a task is given to us to write a paragraph by your own by following the given outlines. Here the topic is a fortune teller. The word fortune means luck or fate. A teller means the person who tells about luck or fate, means Najumi. A footpath fortune teller. Here, the appearance of a fortune teller is told, but before writing the appearance of a fortune teller, a little introduction should be given here. We may say that a fortune teller offers insight into people's past, present, and future through private readings. Some fortune tellers read palms or use tarot cards, runes, or tea leaves to see into a client's future. Now, here it is told that a fortune teller are usually found with cards, basket, pencil tucked on his ear, another kind with cards and a parrot. We can also say that the fortune tellers are usually found on footpaths or at some busy places like markets. In fact, the parrot is the real fortune teller. The fortune teller is a big fraud who cleverly manipulates simple folk. The word manipulates means handle or control the people in skillful manner, and the word folk means simple people, villagers. Village men and women who are his clients. Mostly here the word clients mean customer. Mostly the customer of fortune teller are villagers, and we can say that also the persons who are illiterate. He poses to be a serious knowledgeable man, pretends to know the movement of stars, astrologer. Fortune teller basically attempt predictions on matters such as future romance, future romantic, financial and childbearing prospect. It appears that women consult fortune teller more than men. The illiterate poor folk poor folks feel satisfied when he tells them they will have a job, a wife, a son, a car, a 7 Marla house, a 12-acre farm, or a tractor. In this line, we can see that we can see that all these things are mentioned here, which are very attractive for a peasant or a farmer or the person who belong to village. So they befool the people just to entertain them, and in this way they try to earn their money. You may write here by your own as if you have seen in your real life. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, Allah Hafiz.